Hi, hello, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see how to make the paintbrush very soft and smooth. For that we need moisture. It is an optional. You can skip that. And some coconut oil, some water. Okay, let us see. First take some moisture and apply it on the brush. You can take little also, but if you take much, then it is good and better. Nicely rub that moisture in the table, or else you can rub it in your hand itself. But I am using the table because it is more comfortable for me. We have to rub this for at least 2 minutes. When we rub this, all the dirt and some paints will come out of the brush. And if the moisture was being dried, you can apply extra also. Now let us take some 2 drops of oil, and now we are going to brush the brush in the oil. You have to brush the brush till it is getting darker. The oil will get darker if your brush has any dirt. Until that you can wait, or else you can rub it for 1 minute itself. See here, like that it is coming. All the paints and dirts in the brush will automatically come out. And now we have to dip the brush and wash it nicely in the water. You have to nicely wash the brush in the water, and in the hot water you have to soak the brush for 5 minutes. After we soak the brush, take the brush and little amount of soap and apply the brush on the soap. Like that, rub nicely for few minutes. Now I have taken some soap particles in the brush and I am going to rub it on the table. Like that, nicely rub it that, and you will get more forms. Yes, we have to rub that nicely. Whenever you use your brush, you make sure that you are washing it properly after the use, because if you keep the brush with the paint, then only our brush will get harder, or sometimes it will get harder when we buy it itself. Now the brush have been little softer now. Like that, all foam should be come on the brush. Now our step is completed. Now we can wash our brush. Yeah. And again we can rub it on soap for 1 second or 2 seconds. For some second is enough. Like this, we have to rub the brush very flexibly and nice, so that our brush will get more flexible and smooth. Now we can wash it in the water. Now our brush is absolutely ready for the use. and I hope that you like this video. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.